Students, how are you? Prep 3. Today we'll solve from المعاصر book. Final revision. First model here, Cairo Governorate. First question, choose the correct answer. Number 1. The sum of measure of the interior angle of the triangle equal 180. 100 summation of interior angles of triangle. Choose letter C. Next question, number 2. Sin 30 equal half. Sin 30 equal half. Okay. Next question, number 3. The slope of the straight line that is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis, the slope will be 0. Answer will be letter B. Okay, the slope of straight line that parallel to x-axis, the result will be 0. Okay, equal 0. Next question, number 4. If measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equal 90 degree, and sine A 0.6, then cosine B equal. We have measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equal 90, then measure of angle C equal, here, look at here, measure of angle C equal 90. We have here complementary angles. Angle A and B, sum of them equal 90, then the third angle will be 90 degree. Sine A equals 0.6. 0.6 equals 6 over 10. We can write sine opposite over hypotenuse, 6 over 10. In the side length AC will be 8 cm from face of area. We can write 10 power 2 subtract by 6 power 2 and then find the square root. The result will be 8. Now he won't find cosine of angle B. Cosine angle B equal adjacent over hypotenuse. It will be 0.6 also. So we don't need to draw this. If we have two complementary angles, some of them equal 90, you know that sine angle A equivalent cosine angle B. You must know that sine angle A equivalent to cosine angle B. They are equivalent because A and B complement, or cosine A equal sine B. So the angle here will be letter C. Question number 4. Next question. The midpoint B where A3 and 5 and B1 and negative 5 equals the midpoint here lies M. Reverse to the midpoint. We can collect 3 plus 1 equal 4 and 5 plus negative 5 0. 4 divided by 2 equal 2, 0 divided by 2 equals 0. Choose 2 and 0, letter D. Number 6. The numbers that can be the lengths of side of right angle triangle are. Who can tell me? We have 3 and 4 and 5, because 5 power 2 it will be 25. 3 power 2 is 9 and 4 power 2 is 16. Summation of them equal 25. We choose letter A. Next question. Number 7. We have 2x plus 2x equal 5 plus tan 45. Tan 45 equal 1. Then 2x equal 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Then 2x equals 6. And the value of x equals 3. Choose letter A about question 7. Next question. Slope of straight line that is perpendicular to straight line whose equation y equals 7x plus 8. We know perpendicular, its meaning slope 1 product by slope 2 equal negative 1, and also slope 2 equal negative 1 over slope number 1. We know slope 1 here, coefficient of x. Slope 1 was 7. Then slope 2, write the reciprocal about 7, 1 over 7, and change the sign. In the slope here equal 1 over 7 by negative 1 over 7. Choose letter C. Next question. If triangle ABC is right angle at B, where B equal 3 cm and BC 4 cm, then tan C equal. We have ABC right angle triangle and AB was 3 cm and BC 4 cm. We can find the length of EC from Pythagoras theorem. Write EC power 2 plus 3 power 2 and then find the square root. The result will be 25 square root 25 cm EC. Then tan seat will be opposite over hypotenuse, over opposite adjacent. 3 over 4. Okay, 3 over 4 shows letter D about question number 9. We don't need the hypotenuse here, okay? Because you want to find the tan, theta tan, opposite over adjacent. Next question. Prove the straight lines and passing through 2 points. We have a straight line passing through 2 points here, 5 and 7, and 4 and 5 is parallel to straight line whose equation. We have straight line also here, y subtracted by 3x equal subtracted by 3 equal to x. We can prove that if slope 1 equals slope 2, then L1 will be parallel to L2. Then I will write here L1 and here L2. First step, I will find the slope 1. Slope 1 equal, look at here, slope 1, we can write this equation in the simplest. How this? Write y, move 2x to left hand side, write negative 2x, or equal y equal to x plus 3. Then the slope here will be equal to about slope number 1. And slope number 2, we can write slope 2 here about 2 points. We have 5 and 7 and 4 and 5. 5 minus 7 over 4 minus 5. 5 minus 7 equal negative 2, and 4 minus 5 negative 1. Then the slope here will be 2. Slope 1 equivalent to slope 2. Then L1 parallel to L2. Then the 2 straight line here will be parallel. Okay, understood? Next question. Find the equation of straight line that passes through the point 1 and 3 and makes the angle of measure 45 with the positive direction of the y-x axis. Okay, we have straight line passing through point 1 and 3. We have point 1 and 3, 1 and 3, like this, and makes angle 45 like this, angle 45 with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, we can find the equation L such that y equal mx plus constant. The slope will be tan theta, tan 45 equal 1. Then the equation y equal x plus constant. We have point 1 and 3 pointing to a straight line, then satisfies, then such that the point 1 and 3, such that the point 1 and 3 is pointing to a straight line and satisfies the equation. Then put x equal 1 and y 3, then 3 equal 1 plus constant, then the constant here will be equal 2. So you can find the equation y equal x plus 2. Y equal x plus 2. Okay. Next question. Number 12. If the straight line whose equation y equal to x plus constant where constant here c through the point 5, find the length of intercepted part of y-axis. Okay. We have point pointing to straight line. This point satisfies the equation. You can point the value of x equal 2 and y equal 5 to find the constant. First step, okay, such that the point 2 and 5 satisfies the equation such that y2 equal to x plus constant. Then put y equal 5, 5 equal 2 times x, 2 times 2, 4, plus constant, then the constant here will be 1. So the equation will be y equal to x plus 1. He won't find the length of intercepted part of the y-axis. Intersection about y-axis like this, we have straight line like this. Intersection y-axis at x equals 0. When the straight line intersection y-axis the value of x will be 0. Put x equals 0 here, then y equal 2 times 0, 0, 0 plus 1 equal 1. And the value of y equal 1. And the point will be 0 and 1. Okay? The point will be 0 and 1. Then the length will be 1 unit. The length of y-axis, it will be 1 unit. The straight line intercepted 1 unit from the positive part of the y-axis. In solution, 1 unit. In the solution about this question, the straight line passing through the point 0 and 1, and the straight line intercepted one part from the positive part of y-axis. One part from positive part of y-axis. Next question. Number 13. We have right angle triangle here. You want to find measure of angle A. Measure of angle A, how? You can use any ratio like opposite over adjacent or opposite over hypotenuse. We have 1 over 2 half. Here is the angle A equals 30 degree, because sine 30 equal half, such that in triangle ABC, measure of angle B equal 90 degree. Okay, we have right angle triangle, and such that sine A equal opposite over hypotenuse 1 over 2. The measure of angle A will be equal 30 degree. Okay, question number 2. Prove that left hand side equal right hand side about 1 plus cosine theta, such that left hand side, we must start about left hand side, equal 1 plus cosine C equal 1 plus cosine C here adjacent over hypotenuse 1 over 2 equal 3 over 2. And right hand side, we have right hand side here 2 cosine A power 2 to product by cosine of angle A adjacent over hypotenuse 3 over 2 all power 2, right? 2 product by 3 over 4, and then you can simplify it. Result will be 3 over 2. Then left hand side is equivalent to right hand side. Okay, they are equivalent. Next question, number 14. ABCD square, where A 0 and 0, B 3 and Y. If its side length 5 units, find the positive value of Y. Okay, he give me the length. You can find the square root of the difference between y2 minus y1 power 2 and x2 minus x1 power 2. Find the rule. Okay, put the answer by using the rule. We know, like here, AB, such that AB side length of square equal square root of, right here, listen to me, 3 minus 0 power 2 and y minus 0 power 2. He give me the length of AB 5 units. We can write square root here, cancel it by right power 2 left hand side and right hand side. Then 3 minus 0 will be 3 power 2, 9. Then here equal 5 power 2 left hand side. Our squaring is the two sides here. There we have 9 1 power 2 equal 25. Okay, we can write this left hand side power 2 and right hand side power 2. Then y power 2 equals 16, and the value of y equal positive or negative square root of 16 equal positive or negative 4. Okay, he give me here, he won't find the value of y equal 4 or negative 4. Look at here, if we put negative 4 here in this example, you won't find the positive value. Okay, then y equal -4 is refused because he wants positive only. Then the value of y will be 4 only. Okay, the value here will be 4 of y. Next question. Find the value of this expression without using calculator. Sin 30 product by cosine 60 subtract by tan 60 power 2 plus cosine 30 power 2. We can solve the example by draw here two triangles or one triangle only because we haven't here isosceles triangle. We have 30 60. Okay, 30 60. Look at with me. We have here 1 and here 2 and here root 3. Sin 30 opposite over hypotenuse 1 over 2. Cosine 60 adjacent over hypotenuse 1 over 2. Tan 60 60 tan opposite over adjacent root 3 over 1 power 2. That's cosine 30 power 2. 30 adjacent over hypotenuse root 3 over 2 or power 2. The answer here will be 4. Subtract by root 3 power 2 equals 3. The answer here will be 3. Root 3 power 2 equals 3. 2 power 2 is 4. Then we have 4 plus 3 fourths will be 1. And then we have -3 plus 1 is equal to -2. Okay, the answer here will be -2. It's the first question. Second question proves that A and B and C are collinear. We can prove that 3 points collinear by find two methods. First method, you can find the slope of AB and BC, and if they are equivalent in the slope, then 3 points are collinear. Or you can find the lengths of AB and BC and CA, and if you found the greatest length equivalent to the sum of two smallest lengths, then we have 3 points lies in the corner. So first step, I will solve it by find the length of AB equal square root of, look at here, 4 minus 1 3, 3 power 2 is 9. 2 minus 1 equal 1, 1 power 2 1. Then the answer will be square root of 10 length unit. Now I will find the length of BC. Look at with me, P and C. 7 minus 4 3, 3 power 2 is 9. 3 minus 2 1, 1 power 2 equal 1. Then the answer will be square root of 10 length unit. Now I will find AC. We have A and C. 1 minus 7 or 7 minus 1 6, 6 power 2 36. And 3 subtract by 1 2, 2 power 2 equal 4. Square root of 40. 40 equal 4 times 10. The result will be 2 square root of 10 length unit. We know now AC is the greatest. AC equivalent to AB plus BC. Then A, B, and C are collinear. They are collinear. Understood, my students? I finished now first model. Okay, you must study hard. Goodbye.